which of the following statement is not true about the following given compound. So by observing this structure, we have to find which of the following given statement is incorrect about this structure. So first all of the molecule are having same molecular formula. So if molecular formula is same, they are either identical or isomer. So they may be isomer or they may be identical or homomer. So now if we consider first example 1, 2, 3, function group is present at first position while multiple bond is present at second position. Now in second example 1, 2, 3, multiple bond is present at third position. So relationship between 1 and 3 is they are position isomer because they have difference in position of function group. Well, third example 1, 2, 3. Now 1 and 3 are not structural isomer because they have same position of functional group, same principal chain. So they are not structural isomer. Now we have to check their stereochemical formula. So if we check stereochemical formula, now at second and third, now this double bond is having cis configuration, while at this double bond both hydrogen atoms are attached at opposite direction. So at second carbon, alkene is having trans configuration. So one is cis and one is trans. So 1 and 3 are geometrical isomer and 1 or 3 are having different stereochemical formula. So they are stereoisomer. And which type of stereoisomer? They are geometrical isomer. One is cis and other is trans. So first option 1 and 3 are identical. This is incorrect because 1 and 3 are geometrical isomer. Now 1 and 3 are stereoisomer. Yes, this statement is correct. 1 and 2 are structural isomer. Yes, they are correct because 1 and 2 are position isomer and position isomers are structural isomer. So this option is also correct. Second and third are structural isomer. Second and third are structural isomer. This is also correct because they are position isomer, difference in position of multiple bond. But we have to find which is not true, and option A is not true, and hence correct answer is A.